Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to go over how to change out your theme inside of WordPress to something that you might have downloaded. We're going to be using one from UDesign. So let's get started. So to install a theme onto your WordPress site, all you have to do is just go into Appearance, Themes, and then from there you will have a couple of default options here, which we're not going to use one of those. We're going to add our own, so we're going to go ahead and do Add New. And then you have the option here to go through the list of themes that are on there. You can do popular, featured, latest, but what we're going to actually be doing is uploading a theme that we got from ThemeFrost. So once you hit upload, then you'll have an option here to choose where it's from. And then you're going to want to find the zip file of your theme. So we got that right here. And then all you do is you click Install Now. And then it will end up going to this page here that says it's unpacking, installing. It's been installed successfully. So we can go ahead and return to Themes page. And then we'll have our theme here, which we're using, this UDesign one. You can go ahead and click Activate. And then that will go ahead and do some more loading. Then it'll give you a welcome. You can start the setup wizard, and this will walk you through this particular theme's setup. So we'll go ahead and do all that again. Now this part of the little setup might be slightly different because depending on your theme, you might not have quite the options that this one has. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and skip this part because we don't need to import content. And then, all right, we're all set up. So now we can go ahead and view your website. And then you'll see from there, it's been changed. And then if you go back into your dashboard, you should have some more options now from what you had before. So go ahead and exit out of all these little warnings here. And then you'll have, for this particular one, we'll have a bunch of different settings in here now. And these are all going to be specific to your setup. But if you go back to Appearance Themes, you can then see that you now have, your themes are now set up. This particular one has a child theme that you can set up as well. That way you can kind of edit on the one as far as the codes go without messing with what's actually happening. And then we have down here UDesign settings. And they have a whole bunch of settings in here for you to take a look at as far as the colors, menus, and fonts. And then if you want to set up the responsiveness, and then whatever else you might need. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave us a comment down below. Give us a like, hit the subscribe button, followed by the bell icon, and we will see you next time.